We're gearing up for one last virtual event for 2020 coming to you on October 17th. It's super easy to take advantage of all the great offerings of the day on your smartphone or your computer or both. You don't even have to be stuck inside all day. All you need to do is have cell phone service. You'll want to go over to our website to check out all the class descriptions and show specials. Plus, register for the Nomadica virtual campground for a chance to win prizes. You'll also want to go to our YouTube channel and set reminders for the classes you want to attend. All new sessions about navigation, campcraft, overlanding basics, plus another great film festival by Icon Vehicle Dynamics. On the day of the event, you're going to want to have Instagram and YouTube running. We'll be going live on Instagram at the top of every hour, interviewing our industry partners, plus having some of the best giveaways of the day. Once the interview is done, just click back over to YouTube for your next class session. We can't wait to get back to hosting live events, but in the meantime, we've got another great virtual Overland Expo in store for you.